publish your Roblox game. Publishing makes your game available for others to play, so let's get started. First, open Roblox Studio on your computer and make sure you're logged into your Roblox account. If you don't have Roblox Studio installed, download it from the Roblox website. Create a new game or open an existing one. You can start from a template or build your game from scratch. Make sure you've completed and tested your game before publishing. Click on File in the top menu, then select Save to Roblox As. Then enter a name for your game and choose a location to save it. This saves your game from the Roblox platform. Then go back to File and select Publish to Roblox. You'll be prompted to enter details like the game's title, description, and genre. Set the game's privacy settings to either public or private depending on who you want to allow access. Then, review your game's settings and details. Click Publish to make your game live on Roblox. Once published, it will be available for others to play based on the privacy settings you chose. And that's it, your Roblox game is now published and ready for play.